This little guy right here is the Looki L1, and honestly, this might be one of the most interesting and most controversial AI gadgets I have tested so far. Because the idea is not to film just one perfect single moment, basically like an action camera. No, the idea about this one is actually to capture all the moments, small moments, but all throughout the day. And then the AI in here will filter out the best moments and compile and turn them into something really meaningful. You can think of it less like a camera, but more like of a third eye for your everyday life. Just wear it, turn on the AI mode, and then just live your life normally. Yeah, and meanwhile, Looki will start collecting snapshots all throughout the day. It will even send you proactive messages through Pi, and that's the proactive intelligence engine. And at the end, it can turn all these moments collected throughout the day into, for example, auto vlogs, but also AI summaries, and especially really cool looking comics. And this is actually the feature that I'm most curious about, because Looki is not trying to show you your day in like the highest and sharpest resolution possible. No, it is actually trying to show you the meaning behind it. So yeah, looks and sounds amazing, right? But is it actually that great? Well, let's find out, and let's see if this is actually the future of personal AI hardware. So here we have the box, nice little cute box with all the small print on the back, and we can open it up right there, and that's actually a magnetic box, really awesome. Nice greetings in here, and then we can take this out. There we go. Here we also have a box with accessories, and I also got this, so let's move on right away. So here inside of the main box we have the paperwork, the charging cable, and a quick start guide as well. Oh, and of course also a strap. So here is how that works, and this on the other side. So it's like a necklace basically, and we have it right here. There we go. So here we have the necklace with the strap and the holder, as well as this rubber right there. Really nice and soft, so this won't leave any pressure spots at all. And of course I need to remove this to reveal the sticky side, and then I can glue it on, and now it's on there safe and sound. And what's also really cool is the USB-C port right there, so we can also use this for charging. And talking about charging it, we will also get a really nice looking sleeved USB-C cable, and that's actually really funny. You can give it a personal note with these stickers. Then we also have the warranty as well as safety precautions, and of course also a dedicated manual in multi-language. So get the app, and then it's all about how to use it the right way, and trust light, and there we have it. And additionally, as you can see, I also got the safety case. Here on the back, the small print. So let's open it up, and here we go. This is how to use it, by the way. So let's put it right here, and there we go. Looks like that. And with this, it's basically impossible to lose it. Right on. So quite a lot of great accessories. And there we have it. So let's free it up. There we go. Really interesting design. The camera looks really high quality, as well as the buttons, pretty dope buttons. And it's feature packed. So let's take a close look. Obviously this is designed by Looki. On the back we have the charging contacts, as well as a little speaker in here. 2 buttons on the side right here, and the rest is just blank, except for this hole right there. And we also have 2 more on the front, noise cancelling microphone array, and then of course the camera, really cool. And for charging it, boom, magnetic, really secure fit. Check this out, strong. Wow, this magnet is really strong. Boom. And additionally, again, we can also use the safety straps. So this will hook into these 4 legs, these 4 protrusions, but we can still place it onto the magnet. So this is like an additional safety feature. The magnet is super strong, but just in case someone like smashes it off with their hand, or you run against a pole or something like that, then you can still use this as well, and then it will just end up dangling on this strap. Really cool. So let me charge this up all the way, and I'm looking forward to testing it already. So here we have it fully charged up. For this test, I will remove this one. I think my testing environment is safe enough so that I don't need it. So just like that. Apple button, A button, and B button banana. Round apple, long banana. Really funny. I love it. And one thing before we get to the app, we definitely need to customize it with the sticker. So just like that. Boom. I love it. All right, so the app. It's called Looki AI Lifelog. That's the publisher. There is only one app. You can't go wrong. Let's open it up and let's click on Setup. Choose the region and continue. Now we need to create an account, insert the code, give it all the permissions, and we have it right here. Let's connect to it and pair it up. Activating, connected, and there we go. So this is how to wear it and how to use it. We can also just place it, then more permissions to give and allow all the time. Let's go. Then we can turn on the notifications and agree to that if you want the auto vlogs, and press and holding the side button to start capturing. Okay, so to get richer content, give it a few days and now we can start the journey. And again, for capturing, B button, banana button, press it once to take a picture, press and hold it to start or stop the story mode, and the Apple button, press it once for a video and press and hold for audio recording. So video recording, it will actually talk to us as well as vibrate, holding. Audio recording. Really cool. Video recording. And down here, picture sound, pressing and holding. Story mode. There's the story mode. And up here, as you can see, we have the status LED so that you know that it's actually running. Let's stop this again. And we also have a touchpad. So for swiping, we can increase the volume or also decrease it. And it will also vibrate, has a really nice haptic feedback. So full loudness. And when we press and hold the touchpad, hello, what's up? How are you?
Hey Lolo, I'm here with you, feeling calm and ready. What's on your mind?
So you can also talk to it, to the AI assistant, and the response is quite fast. And with a double tap, we can check the battery. So with a green, it's high, orange, medium, and red, it's low. And with that said, let's check out the app a bit more. So here we have the journal. So first of all, we have the journal, which is today, and we can turn this on. So here we can upgrade from the story mode to the AI mode, which will unlock the proactive messages and a more personalized experience. So let's use this mode. Oh, first we need to update the firmware. I get it. Then we also have the live log, which is a calendar, and we have the device right there. So let's do the upgrade. We can do this over Wi-Fi. This is a very advanced system. It's like a mini computer, actually. It's crazy. And we are back. So here on the device tab, we can take pictures. Boom. We can also start the video recording and also the audio recording right there. We can also start up the AI mode. But first of all, let's check out the device media and check this out. Then we also have the control right there over auto upload, and we can lock the device. Here we can also check out the upload process, and we also have tutorials, the web, Discord server, and customer support right there. And here on the AI tab, we have the Pi engine, we can ask it, and we have the vlog agent. So right there, let's start up the AI mode. And with that, I will now actually start to wear it. Adjust the length, that's perfect. Now just like that, boom.
Just like that, what changed? Tell me what you're seeing, and I'll follow along.
So by accident, I activated the AI assistant.
AI mode.
Right, we have the blue indication right there. So just look down and you can check if it's running. Yes, it is. And we already have a first snapshot right there. I even took a little video right there. Yeah, and as you can see, my workshop is totally disorganized. Actually, my garage. So that will be the first thing that this thing will capture, me just cleaning it up. So this is the end of day one, and my day was actually insane. And check out all the messages that I got. So from temperatures to exoskeleton script, wow, I'm stunned. 3 hours of cable management, yes. Okay, so got it. So check this out. So right there, tiles, heavy lifts. Oh yeah, I secured my plates, geometric panels. Then I made the carport, that's right. 3 hours of cable management and carport rigging. Yep, this day was crazy. Tensioning the panels, yes. Then I scripted a little bit. It even recognized that this is actually a studio build. Today is still forming. So check this out, tons of device media. So cool. And it will use all these clips to generate something amazing. I picked up some roofing from my sister, and then tons of work. Wow, that's awesome. Full day, and we're left with 29% of battery. And as you can see, we now need to tap upload and process. Upload and process. So I will charge it up, and then I will go for day two. Day two was also quite eventful, a lot of hard work. And I have already uploaded everything to the cloud. And this is what I did when shopping. Milk with this, I took a nap. That is actually incredible. Wow. Then picked up some packages, and it even got my blue gloves right there. Building the studio in a Minecraft look. Really cool. It got all the details so nicely, that's crazy. Yeah, and there we also have the week in comics. So as you can see, many different styles of drawings. Really cool. Wow. I mean, look how accurate it got this. With the mirror and like all the lights and stuff, that's incredible. So the journal is absolutely epic. Then here on the live vlog, this also got filled up already. So let's see, construction. So here we actually get the clips. Here, home gym session, cleaning it up, studio maintenance, that's so awesome. And then here on day 2, late night filming on 1 AM. Crazy heat wave going. That's why I have to film during the night. Picking up more packages, shopping, winding down, short nap. So here on the device, as you can see, we have well downloaded the media. Then there is tons of space, still 1 terabyte. And here we can also ask it, when did I take my last nap? So selecting the moments. So you can basically ask it for your memories. So, and that's what I was looking for. Took the nap on the sofa. All right. And what's really cool is this week in comics. So let's save that. And now we can check out the full resolution. We even get a little text down here. So we have this filming, lifting, editing, build mode, right, and cleaning. That's so cool. And all of that is automatically done. Great results. And here on the For You tab, we have the moment insight. So right there, we get an analysis of the work that was done, as well as tips right there. That's funny. And then we also, for example, have a daily vlog created right there. That is so cool. Wow.
The sky's a blanket painted blue. Clouds drift by like they've got nowhere to be. I'm sipping time like morning dew.
That is amazing.
Easy breeze, take me slow. Where it ends, I don't even know. Let the world spin.
So as you can see, it's highly capable, especially for the price point. It brings so much to the table, and it's just a really fun way to kind of document your life and get great images for social media while actually basically doing nothing except for of wearing it. So massive thumb up from my side. I can highly recommend it. This gadget is amazing. So overall, as you saw, the Looki L1 is definitely not a normal gadget. It's also not something that you can judge like a normal camera, because it's much more and also something else at the same time. So if you expect action camera quality or like cinematic image quality, then that's just not the point. The interesting part really is what happens when your day is over. Because during the day, Looki captured all those snapshots, moments, you know, walking, commuting, pet time, your work day, just all the little details that you normally forget, and will turn it into something that you can actually relive. So this will make sense especially during holidays, or when you go have something special in mind, like events or, you know, visiting a zoo, you name it. But it's also super interesting if you just want to analyze your regular days. And in my opinion, the comics are definitely the best and also most emotional feature that you can get with this, because sometimes the moments that actually matter the most are those that you maybe in the moment didn't even realize that they matter so much. So at the end of the day, what this will give you is a really great looking surprise. And the PIE engine also makes this experience feel super personal, because instead of waiting for you to, you know, ask something, it will actually proactively remind or encourage you, or also point out things during the day. And with the AI recall as well as analysis, it feels less like a wearable camera, but more like a personal memory assistant. And of course, privacy and consent also matter a lot with a device like this. So definitely always respect the local laws and get the consent of your friends who you film, for example. But this is definitely very futuristic and a glimpse in actually what's to come when it gets to really cool and unique AI assistants. The Looki L1 is definitely the most unique and most interesting AI gadget or AI assistant I have tested so far. And with this you will also find out if your life would be a comic book, what scene actually would appear the most. So check out the product links in the description. If you're interested, I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.